Hi everyone, I'm really super excited to unbox with you today something that I got at Chanel, and I'm so excited because I really love this color and you've probably seen from the title of this video what it is. So I'm unboxing this for the first time. Here is the bag, and you'll see that the bag has a nice camellia and the nice ribbon. So I'm going to open the bag, and it comes in the beautiful Chanel box with the ribbon and the gorgeous camellia. So let's take this off. So I saw this on the Chanel website, not in this exact color, but in the blue, and I saw the medium size in this color, and so I immediately contacted my SA to see if they would have this in the small. So here is the box, and it's nicely wrapped up. I haven't been so excited to buy a new bag in a while, but when I saw the color, I just thought, oh my goodness. So here is the dust bag. It's a rather large dust bag, and it comes with the care booklet and also the cloth wipe there. If you've seen other unboxing, you've seen this before, but yeah, let's get into the bag because I think this is what we're all waiting for, correct? Okay, I am so excited. Can you see that? I apologize for the lighting. I'm using natural light, but it's not too bright at home. It is an iridescent pink, small Gabrielle. Let me just get the rest of the wrapping off so that I can show this to you properly. And the chains on it, for the Chanel Gabrielle, as you know, are usually a combination of the 3 metals. So if this will focus, sorry about that, you'll see that it's in silver, ruthenium, and the gold. Apologize again because the focus is not too great. And it comes with this leather tab, and the leather tab, I'm going to remove the wrapping now, is in sort of an antique gold. So I'm sure a lot of other people have done unboxings on this bag, so I'm not going to talk too much about the measurements. I can do a separate video if you like. This is actually my second small Gabrielle bag because I originally bought this in black and I liked it, but I really love this color. This is an absolute unicorn. As you can see, it changes color in the light. I don't know if that's like showing up properly on the screen. And then it's got the chains, as you can see. Sorry about the mess. And here is the bottom and the other side. So in the store that I got this from, they only had 2. You'll notice that the pattern on the leather is slightly wrinkly. They had one that was less crumpled kind of a look. They had one that was more smooth, but I actually kind of like this kind of crumpled kind of look. I feel it gives it more of a coolish kind of vibe. Again, I just cannot get over this kind of like pearlish, pinkish kind of beautiful color. If you're not into pink, I know they have this also in an iridescent blue if you're more into a blue color, and it does also have this kind of a magical really gorgeous pearl sheen to it, and depending on the lighting, and again I apologize that I don't have really good lighting, the sheen on this thing, it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. It was a color that I just really could not deny, and I think that they may have more small leather goods like SLGs with similar colors. I haven't seen them yet, but if they do, and say you're not going for a bag and you want this color but you don't want to spend so much, I've seen I believe card holders, don't quote me on this, but if you look on their website, I've seen like pinkish kind of card holders and other SLGs. And generally when Chanel release these types of colors, they will make them in SLGs and handbags. So this, I also saw that this also comes in a medium. Why I got this in a small is basically because I feel pops of colors should be in smaller bags. So like I said, I do have this in the black, so I wanted this for the color, plus I think this would really be nice in the summer to wear with more summery clothing on a nice summer day with the gorgeous shimmer. But yeah, so this is the Chanel small hobo bag in the iridescent pink. I am absolutely head over heels on this bag, and like I said, I have a lot of bags and I really have not been this excited to unwrap and review a bag in a very long time, because I have a lot of bags and they're more classic, they tend to be more black, but this is just gorgeous. And I like that the chains kind of complement that, and you can decorate this up, as I mentioned, with the gorgeous chains. If you're really into pink, I also saw a 2.55. It's not in this iridescent pink, but it's more of a matte pink. That was also gorgeous, and it had the gorgeous gold chains to go with that. That was also a really nice bag if you like something more classic and tends to fit a little more. This one fits a little more than the Chanel Mini if you do have one, but I love the multiple ways you can wear this, and because I already have a few 2.55s also, and because of this color, I just, yeah, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just cannot resist the color. But yeah, and that's the leather. That's the leather. That's the leather strap on this. I believe this is kind of like a calfskin, so it won't be as delicate. If you want to know more about this bag, leave some comments below. As I mentioned, I do have 2 other Gabrielle Chanel bags, and I kind of know how they wear and tear, but I really do love the design of this. The color, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The color, and just combined with like the ornamental chains, it's just, this is definitely on the high of, to me, what a special bag is. If you're looking for more of a staple, I'd recommend to go with the black, to go with everything. However, for a special bag, this definitely does it for me, and I am more of a pink girl, so definitely I love this. I probably would not carry this in the medium size because I feel it's a bit too much, but as a small pop of color handbag, I totally really love this bag. So I hope you have enjoyed my unboxing of this really special bag, and if you are interested in this bag, I highly recommend you contact your SA, because colors like this, they get snatched up so easily. And although this bag is not cheap, it's definitely not at the price range of the Chanel classic flaps. Those will cost you, definitely set you back a lot more. I think it was mentioned by another YouTuber that Chanel bags are still within kind of a reasonable range of what their Chanel handbags could be. Having said that, if this does become more of a classic design, it could go up, and I don't see this bag design going away anywhere soon. In terms of the design of this bag, I know it's not for everyone. This bag was not something I originally liked, but it really grew on me, and a lot of people that own this bag have the same comment, that this bag grows on you. But I think you need to really try it on, get a feel of it, and yeah, it's just the combination of the chains of this color is just really gorgeous. Sorry, I'm babbling now, but I hope you've enjoyed this video. But if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel for future unboxings and reviews. And I hope you have a really fantastic day. Bye bye now.